हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज इम्यूनिटी एक्वायर आफ्टर एन इन्फेक्शन इज ऑप्शन ए एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी, ऑप्शन बी पैसिव इम्यूनिटी, ऑप्शन सी इनेट इम्यूनिटी एंड ऑप्शन डी बोथ बी एंड सी. तो सी एवरीवन, इम्यूनिटी एक्वायर आफ्टर एन इन्फेक्शन इज, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड, सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं की कॉन्सेप्ट. सो हियर द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज योर इम्यूनिटी. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इम्यूनिटी? Immunity is a ability of the body to to defend itself against against the disease causing organism, against the disease causing organism organism. This is called immunity. Now the immunity is of four types. First one is your innate immunity. Innate immunity. So immunity present from birth. Immunity present from birth, and it is non-specific to the antigen, and it is non-specific non-specific to the antigen. This is called innate immunity. Okay, now in innate immunity there are four barriers are present, such as physical barrier, which is formed by the skin and the mucus present in your gastrointestinal tract, respiratory tract, GI tract. Okay, then your physiological barrier, which is formed by the saliva and tears, because in saliva and tears lysozymes enzymes are present, which releases the hydrolytic enzyme, and with the help of hydrolytic enzyme they kill the your pathogens. And also the acid releases by the goblet cell in the stomach is used to kill the pathogens entering via the food. Then the third is cellular barrier. Now the cellular barrier are formed by your polymorphonuclear leukocyte, that is your neutrophil and monocytes, and they kill the pathogens by the phagocytic process, because all the cells, that is neutrophil, monocytes and your natural killer cells are phagocytic in nature. That's why. And the last is cytokine barrier, which is a chemical or which is a glycoprotein releases by the virus infected cell called as interferon, which makes the other cell which is in close proximity a viral resistance cell. So this is your innate immunity. Now the second is your acquired immunity. Acquired immunity. Now the acquired immunity is a pathogen specific. Is a pathogen specific. Is a pathogen specific in which your B and both T cells are involved, and they forms your two types of immune response, either cell mediated immune response via the T cell, or humoral mediated immune response via your B cells, because B cells forms the antibodies. B cells further develop into plasma cells and memory cells, and these memory cells will forms your antibodies, will forms your antibodies. Okay, then third is your passive immunity. Third is your active immunity. Now active immunity is what? Immunity which is gained after the natural infection. Immunity gains after the natural infection. Natural infection. This is called your active immunity. Okay, and the fourth is your passive immunity. Passive immunity. Passive immunity means what? Uh, when a preform antibodies, when a preform antibodies are transferred to the your fetus during pregnancy via the placenta. Okay, okay, then, or transfer of IgA antibody by the mother milk, through the mother milk to the newborn baby during the lactation period. So this is called passive immunity. Now in question they are asked immunity acquire after an infection. Infection होने के बाद जो immunity हमें मिलता है वो होता है आपका एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी। ऐसी इम्यूनिटी में तो रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज हम क्या करते हैं, बॉडी में इंसर्ट करते हैं, या रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज है तो उसको मदर से मिलता है थ्रू द प्रेगनेंसी, इन प्रेगनेंसी थ्रू द प्लासेंटा और थ्रू द मदर मिल्क इन द लैक्टेशन पीरियड। सो ये नहीं हो सकता इनेट इम्यूनिटी, इट इज ए नॉन स्पेसिफिक इम्यूनिटी। ओके, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता, और बोथ बी एंड सी तो हो ही नहीं सकता। सो option A is your right answer. So I hope you will understood this concept. Thank you and best of luck.